Good day. Welcome to Pacific Intercontinental College Introduction to Computer. In this generation, computer is all around us. From desktop computers to laptops, they changed the way we live our lives. But what exactly is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data. You probably already know that you can use a computer to type documents, send emails, play games, browse the web, or any activities that you're doing on the computer. You can also use it to edit or create spreadsheets, presentations, and even videos. Before we get started, before I introduce the different types of computers, let's first discuss what they have in common. Hardware versus software. A hardware is any part of the computer that has a physical structure, something that you can touch physically, such as a keyboard, mouse, monitor, etc. It also includes all the computer's internal parts, which you can see on the image below. Now, software. A software is any set of instructions that tells the software what to do. It is what guides the hardware and tells it how to accomplish each task. Some examples of software includes web browsers, games, and word processors. Below you can see an image of Microsoft PowerPoint, which is used to create presentations. Now keep in mind that without the software, hardware is basically just a tool. It doesn't do anything. It won't do anything without the software. Okay, so let's move on. Now, what are the different types of computers? The first type of computer is the desktop computers. Many people use desktop computers at work, home, school, or the library. They can be small, medium, or large in style, and they usually sit on a desk. Once you add a monitor, mouse, and keyboard, you have what is typically known as a desktop computer. Most desktop computers are easy to upgrade and expand or add new parts. Another benefit of a desktop computer is that their cost. If you compare a desktop and a laptop with the same features, you will most likely find that the desktop is less expensive. The second type of computer you may have familiar with is what I have mentioned for a laptop computer or a laptop. Laptops are battery or AC powered personal computers that are more portable than desktop computers, allowing you to use them almost anywhere. Because a laptop is smaller than a desktop, it is more difficult to access its internal components. This means that you may not be able to upgrade them as easily as a desktop computers. Next type is the tablet computers or tablets. Tablets are handheld computers that are even more portable than the laptops. Instead of a keyboard or touchpad, tablets use a touch-sensitive screen for typing and navigations. The iPad is an example of a tablet. Tablets can't necessarily do anything a laptop or a desktop can do, so you may still want a desktop or laptop to run programs or create documents. But if you want to be able to play games, check emails and social media, or stream music and videos, well, a tablet may be a good computer replacement. Next type of computer is a server. A server is a computer that serves up information to other computers on a network. Many businesses have file servers employees can use to store and share files. A server can look like a regular desktop computer, or it can be much larger, like you can see on the right side of the screen. Servers also play an important role in making the internet work. They are where the pages are stored. When you use a browser to click a link, a web server delivers the page you requested. Now there are other types of computers as well, like the mobile computers, game consoles, and televisions. You can pause this video if you want to review the meaning of each. Now, let's talk about the two most common computers in the world, the PC and the Macs. The PC is a type of computer which the original IBM PC that was introduced in 1981. Other companies began creating similar computers which were called IBM PC compatible, often short to PC. Today, this is the most common type of personal computers and it typically includes the Microsoft Windows operating system. The Mac or Macintosh computer was introduced in 1984, and it was the first widely sold personal computer which has a graphical user interface or GUI. All Macs are made by one company, Apple Inc., and they almost use the Mac OS X operating system. Okay, now I got a challenge for you. Think about the activities you perform or you want to perform using a computer. Think all of the computers that are necessary for you to complete your day-to-day task. Is it a computer that controls a stoplight so you can drive to work? How did the cashier scan and calculate your grocery items? Did he use a computer? Does the coffee store you visit use a computer to order its inventory? Is the weather map on the television a computer-generated one? Thank you. Thank you for tuning in us and see you on the next lesson.